All right, somebody asked, how do you come back from long unemployment situation? Got myself busy, but lost self-esteem. Any advice? Yes. Figure out what you want to do. Create a plan and a vision for yourself. Whatever that looks like. It could be getting in shape. It could be learning a new skill. Whatever that is. If you're not, let me start here. Happiness isn't some sort of destination. Happiness is progress. If you are not progressing in any form in your life, you cannot be happy. Progress equals happiness. And so when you find yourself in a state of stagnation or a recession of some sort, what's important is that you figure out, okay, where can I make progress in any area of my life? Is it personal? Do I do 10 push-ups every morning? Do I eat a little healthier? Do I work on those relationships that I haven't had in a while? Whatever that is, progress. Start small, okay? When you face some sort of setback in life, over and over again, it's easy to get disappointed, and then it's easy to fall into depression. It's easy to get stuck there. But you must remember, keep moving forward. Progress equals happiness. No matter what the progress is, like I said, make your bed in the morning. Start there, right? Brush your teeth a little more often. Who knows, right? Whatever progress means to you, whatever is going to move you forward in some positive direction in your life, focus your energy there. This is how you build steps to get out of any rut that you're in. Think about that. Progress. Start small. Don't try to eat the elephant whole. It's not possible. You shouldn't be eating elephants in the first place, but you understand the metaphor.